Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today I am sharing with you a healthy, tasty and easy recipe. This is Egg Tarka Maggi. For this recipe, I am only using what I have in my kitchen today. If you like my recipes, then please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. And please continue staying at home during this period. Let's heat up the pan. I am adding 2 teaspoon olive oil. You can use oil or butter if you want to. Keep the flame medium to high. And I am adding 1/3 cup sliced onion, 2 sliced green chili, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 1/4 cup sliced carrot. Fry it for 2 minutes. Now I am adding yellow, red and green bell pepper, capsicum. I have taken 1/4 cup each bell pepper. You can add green peas, green beans or more vegetables if you have them. Now I am adding 1/4 cup sliced tomato, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, haldi, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, dhania powder, half teaspoon salt. Do not add too much salt because we will add Maggi masala, and Maggi masala also has salt. Here I have taken 2 packs of Maggi noodles and 2 packs Maggi masala. I will break them little bit. Now add the Maggi noodles. Mix it well. I am adding 1 cup of water. Now I am adding Maggi masala powder. If you like watering, then add some more water, but I love dry Maggi. Mix it well. Now I am adding 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves. I am making egg tarka Maggi, so here I have taken 2 eggs. We have to beat the eggs. If you are vegetarian, then in the same process you can make eggless tarka Maggi. Little bit salt and pinch of black pepper. Beat it very well. Add into the Maggi. Keep stirring till it is not getting dry. Okay, now let's make the tarka. I am adding 2 teaspoon olive oil, 4 pieces of dry baby red chili and 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Now turn off the flame. Put the tarka into the noodles. Now toss it gently. Wow, looks yummy. Let's dish out. If you are Maggi lovers, I am telling you, you must try. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.